Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Stop by and take a look at the 2020 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal.
Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.